Let's play!
Well, everybody come along with me. I'll take you to a place you never did see. They got a rhythm with the two left feet and a big brass band on a moonlit street, yeah.
Did I forget to introduce myself? I'm Peter. Peter Pan.
He's got a rhythm and it's all you need. So everybody come and rock your feet. Take it down to
One last thing.
like a river stream, yeah.
Peter Pan never fails.
And
Yeah, 'cause I'm a going down at a railroad track and it ain't coming back, no, it ain't coming back.
Why do you think I call myself Peter Pan?
Don't think for a moment I believe it's because you care for me.
I am Peter Pan.
So everybody come along with me. Go down the river and wash your feet now. To where the people
It's for a kind of game.
sweet and
A really fun one.